Hello again, crafty people. I just want to show off a few things that I've made recently. I have been working on the freeform resin geodes and I absolutely love them, especially when I put them in the shadow box frames. So let me show you some of the ones that I've been making. Let's start with this bigger one. This one, very glitzy, golden, lots of glitter, lots of texture to it, and the lines on this one a little bit more defined than some of the others. If I hold it up to the top camera, you should be able to get a closer look if we don't get too much glare. I've got it in one of these shadow box frames with some glass, so it can be a little bit hard to take a look at. I think you can see the glitter and the sparkle and everything in there. So I'm really happy with this one and how it's turned out. I've also been making a few smaller ones. This is one of my latest ones. I made this one as one of the example projects in the freeform resin geodes class that I've just published actually. So I thought you might like to take a look at that one. Let's take it out the frame, we can get a closer look. I like these shadow boxes. I think it displays it nicely. There we go, a closer look. I like the way that they're a little bit lifted off the back, give it a little more of a 3D look. To give you a close-up, there we go, this is this one. It's a little bit more subtle than some of the other ones that I tend to make. A little bit more perhaps natural looking. It's just got a few lines to define it, some nice stones and some little bits of glitter. Generally not overly glittery and sparkly, which is a bit unusual for me. I've also got some really nice crystal points up at the top just here. So a big shout out and thank you to Cheryl. Cheryl sent me these crystal points from the UK. In fact, she sent me a huge great big bag. I've just put a few of them in there. And it's got some rock crystals here in the centre, and I thought you might be interested to take a look at them. So I've also, as I mentioned, I've just published this class, Freeform Resin Geodes, which shows you exactly how to make these, and they're purely made from resins, pigments, micas, glitters. There's no base to them, so they really are absolutely beautiful, and I've really enjoyed making them. So I'm going to put a link down below the video where you can find the class if you want to pop over and take a look. And I've got a few more projects which I'll probably share with you in a few more days. Thanks for looking.